Colorwave Graphics started in 2002 in the basement of my house. We had 3 employees at the time, and we were doing quite a bit of work with design agencies, advertising firms, traditional offset printing companies looking to partner with a wide format printing company, so that was a natural fit for us, and doing quite a bit of that work until we started to bust at the seams 2 years later, and we moved into our 5,500 square feet facility, which we reside in today. After the financial crisis of 2008 and 9, we began working directly with end users, and specifically mid to large size manufacturing and aerospace companies. We did a lot of interior signage for their corporate facilities. They had a lot of training facilities that we would outfit signage for, and of course a lot of their trade show needs that they had come up from year to year. Up till now, we've had quite the increase of custom requests for dimensional and irregular shaped signage, a lot of display fabrication. We've had quite an increase in volume of banners and posters and decals, all with their unique shapes. And before we had Gerber's MCT's solution, we've been outsourcing quite a bit of this work. We chose Gerber because Gerber's MCT Cutter possessed a multifunctional solution which seemed to be perfect for us. Having the ability to run multiple projects, all with unique cutting and routing processes, while increasing our throughput, was exactly what our business needed to handle the variety of requests from our customers. Not to mention the table is built like a tank, and it should last the test of time. The ability to save cutting job parameters in Gerber's Tiger Vision software is a major plus for us. I can't tell you how much that decreases operator error. Being able to choose all of the unique settings for a particular project and save that and be able to tap into that every time we have a reorder is just key. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, we've developed solutions for social distancing, hygiene protection, and even a temporary hospital bed we've come up with from 100% recyclable material. We manufacture floor graphics that will apply to interior tile, wood, and low pile carpeting, as well as indoor or outdoor concrete and blacktop. We've been making standard size acrylic hygiene barriers, or otherwise known as sneeze guards, but we've been contracted to manufacture all sorts of custom barriers for multi-level and even curved reception desks and food and beverage serving counters. What I really like about the MCT Cutter is its dependability and accuracy. The machine will do exactly what you program it to do. Once everything is dialed in, we can save the job settings within Tiger Vision software, making reorders a breeze. Takes all the human error out of the project, and we're off and running. When the machine arrived, it was a bit intimidating. I believe there was 3 or 4 very large crates that it came in, and it took a full day or 2, I believe, for the service technicians to assemble the machine and get it all dialed in. And then from there, there's definitely a learning curve to learn the software and the nuances of the machine and what tools to choose. However, Gerber's ability to tap into our Tiger Vision software, and they do this live, and they'll walk us through any complex situations over the phone, was key. There was plenty of instances where we would run up against kind of a brick wall, and then all we did was place a phone call, and they tapped in, and we were off and running within minutes. Over a short period of time, we've become familiar with the tools, the processes, and software settings required for most of our mainstream projects. Looking to the future, of course, we need the increased production capacity for larger runs of printed banners and posters, signs, decals. But really, we'd like to educate our clients in our ability to fabricate recyclable displays, furniture, and even unique interior design elements using Zanita board, Falcon board, PVC, and similar substrates. All I can say is we're extremely happy to have implemented Gerber's MCT Cutter, as it's aided in our survival over these unprecedented times. Without the ability to pivot our company to manufacture large volumes of social distancing graphics, hygiene barriers, and business reopening signage, we would have fallen severely behind. Currently, we executed nearly 800 24-inch by 80-inch banners by cutting them on our MCT in nearly 4.5 hours. We printed them 2 up, and it only took 20 seconds per gang to cut out, which would have taken one member of our team 40+ hours to cut out by hand. This is just an amazing throughput, and we're ecstatic to have this type of technology as part of our tool set.